Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to What's Up with Wigs. Today I'm going to show you how I style my Raquel Welch Unfiltered, and I have her in the color SS Biscuit, which of course is RL19/23SS. As you know, these are little short videos. This is not a wig review. I have a full review already on my channel of this wig, so if you want to see everything about it in outdoor lighting, indoor, inside of the cap, all of that, you can see my full review. These are just little short videos, styling tips, color comparisons, and things like that for my video series, What's Up with Wigs. Okay, let's have a look at how I style Raquel Welch Unfiltered. Okay guys, that's just a few ways that I like to style this wig. Thank you so much for joining me today on this little series, What's Up with Wigs. I truly enjoy making it for you. Please leave me lots of comments and suggestions of things you would like to see down below, and I'll do my best. And like I said, I have a full review of this wig on my channel, so you can see the full review. There's so many cute hair accessories out now. Just a headband or barrette can make a wig look completely different. So I hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and don't forget, we're all in this together.